Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
74. Mr. Gray liked shooting very much, but he did not get much practice at shooting wild animals, and he was not very good at it. One of his troubles was that his eyes were not very good and he had to wear glasses. When it rained and his glasses got wet, he could not see very well. One day he was invited to go out shooting bears in the mountains. It was rather a rainy day, and by mistake Mr. Gray shot at one of the other hunters and hit him in the leg. There was a court case about this, and at it the lawyer for the other man said, "Why did you shoot at Mr. Robinson?" Mr. Gray answered, "I thought that he was a bear." "When did you realize that you were wrong?" the lawyer asked. "When the bear began to shoot back at me," Mr. Gray answered. Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.